Hello students, let's do some more practice of matrices and determinants. Let's start from short questions. A matrix A is given, order is 2 by 2. This matrix is singular matrix. We have to find the value of x. What is singular matrix? If the determinant of this matrix A is equals to 0, then the matrix is singular matrix. Now we know that this matrix A is singular. It means the determinant 3 minus 2x into 4 minus x plus 1 into 2. This should be equals to 0. This is determinant of A. 3 4s are 12 minus 8x minus 2x plus 2 equals to 0. 12 minus 8x minus 2x minus 2 equals to 0. 10 equals to 10x and value of x is 1. Second one, similar to the next. This matrix A is also singular, but the order is 3 by 3. We have to find the value of k. Singular matrix means determinant is 0. Now, what we will do? Let's expand along C2. Expand along C2. We are expanding along C2. You can expand either with R1, R2, R3 or any column. Let's expand this with C2. This is column 2. First. Okay. Minus 1 की पार. This is 1, 1. First row, first column. This is 1, 2. 1 plus 2. Here we have, leave this second column. First row. 3, 2, minus 2, minus 4. Plus k into minus 1 की पार. This is 2, 1. This is 2, 2. Leave second column and second row. 1, 3, 2, minus 4. Plus 3 into minus 1. This is element 3, 1. Third row, first column. This is 3, 2. Here we have 3 plus 2. Leave second column, third row. We will have 1, 3, 3, minus 2. Minus 1 की पार 3. That is minus 1. We will have minus k. Minus 4 into 3. Minus 12. Minus 4. Minus 1 की पार 4. Plus 1. Plus k. Minus 4. Minus 6. Minus 1 की पार 5. Minus 1. Minus 1 into 3. Minus 3. Minus 2. Minus 9. Minus k. Minus 12 plus 4. Plus k into minus 10. Minus 3 into minus 11. Minus 8 plus 4. Minus 12 plus 4. Minus 8. Minus 8 into minus k. 8k. Minus 10k. Plus 33. And this will be equals to 0. Because the matrix is a singular matrix. 8 minus 10. Minus 2k equals to minus 33. Minus and minus get cancelled. The value of k is 33 by 2. If you expand along any row or any other column, you will get the same answer. Next one, very much similar to the previous two questions. A matrix A is given. Order is 3 by 3. Is not invertible. Find the value of lambda. Not invertible means we can't find the inverse of this matrix. If we can't find the inverse of this matrix, it means matrix must be singular. We can't find the inverse of a singular matrix. This is invertible, not invertible. It means determinant must be 0. We have to find the value of lambda. Let's expand along, this time with R3. Now we are expanding along R3. We will get the same answer with any row or any column. Expand along R3. First we will write 2. This is element 3, 1. Third row, first column. Minus 1 की part 3 plus 1. Leave first column and third row. We will get lambda 2, 2 and 5. Plus 1 and minus 1 की part. This is element 3, 2. Third row, second column. 3 plus 2. Leave the second column, third row and second column. We will have 1, 1, 2 and 5. Plus 1 and minus 1 की part 3 plus 3. Third row, third column. Leave the third column and third row. We have 1, 1 lambda and 2. Minus 1 की part 4. 1, 2. Lambda into 5. 5 lambda minus 4. Minus 1 की part 5. Minus 1. 5 minus 2. Minus 1 की part 6. Plus 1. 2 minus lambda. 2 5s are 10 lambda minus 8 minus 3 plus 2 minus lambda, and this is equals to 0 because it is a singular matrix. 10 minus lambda, 9 lambda, minus 8 minus 3 minus 11 plus 2 minus 9 equals to 0. 9 lambda equals to 9 and the value of lambda is 1. Next one is A alpha is given matrix of order 2 by 2. We have to find A alpha whole square. A alpha whole square equals to A alpha into A alpha. Multiply of two matrix. We have cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha, cos alpha into again cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha and cos alpha. First row with first column, cos alpha into cos alpha, cos square alpha, plus sin alpha into minus sin alpha, minus sin square alpha. First row, second column, cos alpha, sin alpha, plus sin alpha, cos alpha. Second row, first column, minus sin alpha, cos alpha, plus cos alpha into minus sin alpha. Second row, second column, minus sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. Now, plus minus minus. We have cos square alpha minus sin square alpha. Here we have cos sin alpha plus sin alpha cos alpha. This is cos alpha. 2 times sin alpha cos alpha. Minus sin alpha cos alpha and minus sin alpha cos alpha. If we take minus sin common, inside we will have 2 times sin alpha cos alpha. And here again cos square alpha minus sin square alpha. What is cos square alpha minus sin square alpha? This is formula for cos 2 alpha. And what is 2 sin alpha cos alpha? Sin 2 alpha. 2 sin A cos A, sin 2A. Here minus sin 2 alpha. And here we again get cos 2 alpha. This is our answer. A matrix of order 2 by 2 is given and another matrix A inverse is given. We have to find the value of x. Now, how can we find it? बच्चे, we know A into A inverse equals to I, and I is identity matrix. Matrix A is 2x, 0, x and x into A inverse 1, 0, minus 1 and 2. And this will be equals to I, identity matrix of order 2 by 2, 1, 0, 0, 1, because the order of matrix A is 2 by 2. Now, we will multiply these two. First row with first column, 2x into 1, 2x. plus 0 into minus 1, 0. First row with second column, 2x into 0, 0, 0 into 2, 0. Second row, first column, x into x, x, plus x into minus 1, minus x. Second row, second column, x into 0, 0, plus 2x, and this is equals to 1, 0, 0, 1. Now, two matrices are equal. We will equate the corresponding elements. 2x equals to 1. This is 0 equals to 0. Again here 0 equals to 0. And x equals to 1 by 2. This is the value of x. So let's do two questions together. If A is a 3-rowed square matrix and determinant of A is given, we have to find adjoint of adjoint A. Adjoint of adjoint A. If we have a square matrix with order n, if we have square matrix with order n, then A into adjoint of adjoint A will be equals to determinant of A की power n minus 2 into A. Now in this case the order is 3 by 3. So adjoint of adjoint A in this particular question will be determinant of A की power 3 minus 2 into A. Determinant of A की power 1, that is determinant of A into A. What is determinant of A? 4. 4A. This is our answer. In this question, try to find the difference between these two questions. Here we have to find adjoint of adjoint A. In this question also, A is a 3-rowed square matrix and determinant of A is given. Now we have to find determinant of adjoint A. What is determinant of adjoint A? In the same way, if we have square matrix of order n, then determinant of adjoint A is determinant of A की power n minus 1. In this case, order is 3 by 3. So adjoint A will be determinant of A की power 3 minus 1. That is determinant of A की power 2. So determinant of adjoint A will be 5 की power 2. That is 25. This is our answer. In this question, we have given a matrix A. Order is 2 by 2. We have to find the determinant of A inverse. Now, how can we find the determinant of A inverse? We know A into A inverse equals to I, identity matrix. Take determinant both sides. Determinant of A into A inverse will be determinant of I. We have determinant of A into determinant of A inverse equals to determinant of I is always 1. Determinant of identity matrix is 1. Now, the determinant of A inverse will be equals to 1 upon determinant of A. Now, what will be the determinant of A? We can easily find it. Minus 2 into 1, minus 3 into 1. This is minus 2 and minus 3, that is minus 5. Now, the determinant of A inverse will be 1 upon minus 5, that is minus 1 by 5 is our answer. A matrix A is given. B is also a square matrix of order 2 such that AB equals to I. We have to find B. But we know A into A inverse is equals to I, identity matrix. In this case, AB is equals to I. What does this mean? It means B is equals to A inverse. And how can we find A inverse? A inverse is 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint A. First find determinant of A. 2 into 3 minus 4 into minus 1, that is 6 minus 4 into minus 1. 6 minus 4, 2 is the determinant. Now, what will be adjoint A? A is a matrix of order 2 by 2. Very easy to find adjoint A if we have order 2 by 2. Diagonal elements will interchange. Here we have 2 and here we have 3. And the sign of remaining elements will change. -4 will become +4 and -1 will become +1. This is adjoint A. Now A inverse will be 1 by 2, 2, 4, 1 and 3. Take 1 by 2 inside. A inverse is 2 by 2, 1, 4 by 2, 2, 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. This is our answer. If A is an invertible matrix, A inverse is given. Order is 2 by 2. We have to find A. Bachche, we know if we have A inverse and we find the inverse of A inverse, we will get A. Now, what we will do? Put A inverse as B to avoid confusion. And what we have to now find? We will find B inverse. A inverse is B. So, we will find B inverse and we will get the values of matrix A. We will find matrix A. Now, how can we find B inverse? B inverse is 1 upon determinant of B into adjoint of B. Determinant of B, that is determinant of A inverse. 3 into 6 minus 4 into 5, 18 minus 20 minus 2. Now adjoint of B, interchange of diagonal elements, 6 here and 3 here, and the signs of other elements will change. Now B inverse will be 1 upon -2. Inside we have 6 minus 4 minus 5, 3. B inverse will be equals to A. Take -1 by 2 inside. We will have -3, 2, 5 by 2 and -3 by 2. This is our matrix A. If A is a two-rowed square matrix and the determinant of A is given 6, we have to find A into adjoint A. Bachche, we have a formula. A into adjoint A is equals to adjoint A into A, and which is equals to determinant of A into I. I is identity matrix. Now we have to find A into adjoint A. This will be equals to determinant of A into identity matrix. Order of A is 2 by 2. So I must be a square matrix of order 2. A into adjoint A will be determinant of A 6 into I is identity matrix of order 2. Take 6 inside. We will have 6, 0, 0, 6. This is our answer.